What the heck is a CTA really? Let's be honest, most of us are chronically overwhelmed. There's information flying at us from every direction. Our brains are juggling 1,000 tabs, and half the time we're scrolling, we're partially disassociated, just trying to get through the day. Ooh, this is interesting. I should check it out later. Immediately forgets it exists. Sound familiar? This is exactly why calls to action, or CTAs, matter so much. A CTA is what helps someone take the next step when life is chaotic. When things are so overwhelming, that step needs to be as effortless as possible in order to move anyone to the next level. I am as guilty of this as anyone else, and I am a marketing professional, and I know what it is, and I know what's happening. And actually, most of the time, when it's something I'm really interested in, I'm actually incredibly grateful when the CTA is clear and the next steps are already planned out and easy for me. This is why we need CTAs, especially for neurospicy brains. If you've ever seen a post that deeply resonated with you and thought, yes, I need this, and then your brain launched into another dimension, never to return, welcome to content overload. This is the place that we're all at right now. And here's the reality. People aren't ignoring you on purpose. Their brains are just distracted, overstimulated, and overwhelmed. And without a clear, easy next step, they'll move on and never return, even if they really wanted to. CTAs interrupt that cycle and give people an immediately low effort way to take action while they're still engaged. This is why free lead magnets are so important. Many people need time before making a financial decision. But signing up for free value to get to know you better, that's an easy decision they can make right now. A much easier commitment. But without a strong CTA, they're not going to go anywhere. A high value lead magnet is a win-win. They get a resource that helps them move through something small, and then you have an option to be able to contact them later, and they'll have a way to remember because they can go right back to that email and get your name. You'll get them on the list where you can nurture the relationship. Not having a free magnet is actually a disservice to your audience because they do want to remember you. They just need a way to. So what makes a good CTA? The powerful CTA is first clear. No fluff, no confusion. Just tell them what to do. Effortless. The fewer steps, the better. Relevant. Tied directly to what they just read, watched, or experienced. Encouraging. Sometimes people just need permission to take action. And your CTA should feel like the next logical step, not a random demand. CTAs are everywhere, or at least they should be. If you're creating content and not using a CTA, you're leaving opportunities, engagement, and relationships on the table. Here's where CTAs matter the most. YouTube videos. Subscribe for more. Grab your free guide below. Those are both CTAs. Social media posts. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if this resonates. This is just a bid for connection. Emails. Click here to join the free training. If you talk about a training but don't offer a CTA, chances are people aren't going to take action. Blog articles. Want more like this? Sign up for our blog updates. If people don't know what to do next, they won't do anything. Your CTA formula, you want it to be simple and repeatable. Number one, decide the one action you want people to take. Number two, make it crystal clear. 3, make it easy as possible for them to complete the action. And 4, use action words. Get, download, try, join, watch, comment, follow. Example, instead of check out my website, which is kind of vague, try download your free content calendar template here, which is specific and actionable and still has the same effect. So the final thought here is a CTA is never intended to be pushy. It's meant to be helpful. Some of us, especially neurodivergent folks, resist using CTAs because they feel salesy or too aggressive. But here's the thing. A CTA is not about pressuring people. It's about guiding them to the next step that will help them. If your content is valuable, don't leave people hanging. Show them exactly how to keep learning, engaging, or working with you, and make it easy. So now, let's practice. What's your next step? Drop it in the comments. That's my CTA for you.